In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money with Pocket Option to Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is to log into your Pocket Option account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Now choose the withdrawal method that allows you to transfer funds to your bank account. So this could be via bank transfer, credit or debit card withdrawal, or another available method. Now follow the prompts to initiate the withdrawal process and transfer the desired amount of funds from Pocket Option to your bank account. So beware of any withdrawal fees or processing times associated with this transfer. So once the funds are in your bank account, simply open the Cash App on your mobile device. So if you haven't already linked your bank account to Cash App, you'll need to do so. So navigate to the banking section in Cash App and follow the prompts to add your bank account. And after your bank account is linked, you can initiate a deposit from your bank account to your Cash App account. Just simply follow the instructions in the Cash App to complete the deposit. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.